I know, but about the pajamas.
Won't you and Grandma go to lunch?
So after much speculation, we're finally here.
Say, give me a kiss.
We're going to meet the man himself.
No.
So he has to keep us on our toes.
So I'm gonna make me and nature breakfast.
Oh, she mad.
What do you say?
Look at her.
Whatever you do, you got to wash
So
the lavish train, this maze.
me and nature making breakfast. Look at her. We're about to make some breakfast. So let's get started. Y'all are asking me if I'm okay. What are y'all talking about, dude? I don't know what the fuck y'all talking about. That wasn't me. Come on.
Grandma, I don't know what you in here for.
If you're interested, I'd love to know.
That don't even make sense.
Stop. Okay, so I don't know what I should make us. Should I make us some eggs, waffles? What should I make us?
It helps people with asthma breathe better. So this is better. Specific types of moderate to severe asthma.
Waffles? You want egg or waffles? Egg or waffles? Egg or waffles?
It helps protect
What am I eat rice with?
severe allergic reactions. It helps regulate things.
Alright. What?
Unthought bacon that she never made.
It's time to take nature braids out, y'all. They look so old. You ready to get your braids taken out? How? I want to keep your braids in. They so cute. Let it go. Okay, I think I'm at both. I don't know what I got a taste for.
Your doctor about Dupixent, the most prescribed biologic in asthma. Also approved as an add-on treatment for adults with COPD
Is you good?
that's not well controlled and with a specific
Both?
marker of inflammation.
Everybody said both.
When it comes to my space, I gotta keep things fresh and tidy.
Both.
Just like Mama taught me. So I'm always spraying Febreze pepper spray and freshen out.
You gonna eat both?
Locking them away.
Yeah. Alright, let's start cooking.
Choose Advil liquid gels for faster,
Alright.
stronger, and more effective relief than Tylenol rapid release gels.
Leave that alone. Move. Go. Go up in there. Go. Bye. Bye. Go. Bye.
Come on. Come on, little mama.
That's the standard email format, but he insisted I
You in here messing with your mama?
Yes. What are y'all talking about? I don't know shit y'all talking about. I ain't gonna lie.
I did. This is exactly how it started with me.
Worried about your brain health? Serotonin Brain Wellness has a dual action formula. While improving memory, focus, and concentration. Those taking Serotonin Brain Wellness experience a slower rate of brain transmission. Now also available without a prescription at Serotonin.com and Amazon.
It changed my mind.
I always recommend Serotonin Brain Wellness.
Nah, I'm in Chicago.
Who was just rescued yesterday by Dave, who's realizing your dog has a thing.
You gonna stare at me and then look off? After you just did that, little girl?
And there's Judy, where Dave will everything else Dash needs in life. It's food, because swirling can work up quite an appetite. For low prices and fast shipping, there's Judy.
I'm on that, right?
One man.
I look dumb. I don't even know how to do that. Did that?
Well, that's me. Honest to a fault. But things aren't always as black and white as they seem. It's still a mystery.
CBS Original, That Lot, for your consideration.
Do y'all put salt and pepper in y'all eggs? Do y'all put salt and pepper in it? Hell no. Y'all better. Y'all better. Ooh. Oh no, we finna have a whole freaking.
You all look like you're going to a funeral, not the party of the century.
We're finna have a whole fucking. I don't know what the fuck salt do to you, but it do something.
You didn't have any so much.
Heart attack, high blood pressure. They do something. What, nature? What is BBM? Where you in? I repeat, BBM is not no game. It's not no game. BBM is not no game. Say hey. Hey. It's a brand. Let's go get the waffles. You want to go get the waffles? Yeah. Yeah, okay. So we're getting the waffles. And let's get the waffles. It's popsicles? And I didn't know?
And then they're gonna buy both perfumes. What's not to love? So much.
Say hi.
You hardly said a word.
Say mama.
Your parents have
Say mama. No, say mama. 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 No, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright.
Is everyone else hungry?
Bye-bye. I gotta cook us some food. I gotta cook us food. You gonna bump your head? Stop. Move. Go up in there. Bye. Bye.
West-ish. This is harder than I thought.
Hold on.
What?
Food.
That smells fantastic.
Oh yeah, come on, fuck.
Okay with me.
Hey, you guys got up quick. Let me jump to your challenge. Yeah, we know we were just talking about the how super easy this is.
I think maybe we should follow you guys because the sooner we get to the center of this maze, more importantly to the food, the better.
Y'all are little kids.
Well,
I had no idea you're bilingual.
we just gotta go and get that out of you. I'm getting tired of this.
I second that.
I know this isn't your thing. I get it, but we're here.
Watch
Let's
this.
just make the best of it, okay? What's your turn?
Hell no, I ain't fighting nobody. I do not fight. I repeat, I do not fight. I don't fight.
Just watch.
But it's so beautiful.
You know what I think this is? This Harris doesn't do
This look oily still.
But we're not going to let that happen.
Let's go. Come on.
We're not.
Pretty sure we already went this way.
Mama, come here. Mama, come here.
No, don't come here. Her ass ain't cooking for nobody. Don't go this way.
My stomach hurt. Can you do this real fast while I go use the bathroom?
Do what?
Do this.
Cook it?
Basically, no, not cook it, but like just put it on and stuff while I go.
So you want me to cook it?
I said put it on while I go use the bathroom. Can you do it?
I'll put the eggs on.
You might as well put the waffles on too.
You put the waffles in the oven?
Yeah. You gotta put some butter on it first.
See, you want me to do the whole thing.
That's just
you only want to pee.
That's just putting it on. Yeah, I'm finna just go pee. I'll be back.
Look, Sharon, this is what I'm talking about. Oh my God, this shit is so funny.
Wow.
No, this shit. Oh, yeah. Damn. Bro, I'm cooking tomorrow.
I'm on that rat shit. I'm on that rat shit. I'm on that rat shit.
Say something to this.
Man.
Say something to this.
No what?
She said, girl, you need to be safe. I seen this all over TikTok.
What? Bro, what? I don't want to hear it.
It
I don't want to hear it. Stop, bro.
This is Kay's sister.
Okay, I don't care. Who? Okay, I don't care.
Okay, I'll take her back. I got
Okay, well.
Get out. Hey, bro.
I'm on that rat shit. Yeah, man. Oh, what are you talking about? I'm not fighting nobody.
Stop. You gonna buy me another lighter?
Your ass annoying.
I don't care. Don't come flicking my stuff in here. I told my mama to get out. I ain't tell you to come switch her stuff.
Get in there, Jerry. Get in there, Jerry. Get it. Hey, get it. Get it.
Go.
Get it.
Go.
Get it.
Go.
Get it.
Go.
Get in there, Jerry. Hey, get in there, Jerry. Hey, get it. Get it.
Go.
Get it.
Go. 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 Go.
Get it. Hey.
Hit your flip. Turn on your head. Go on your
Get on
head.
your head.
Go on
Get
your
on your
head.
head.
Bend down. Go on your head. What you? No. On your head.
She said, nope, not today. Say, nope, not today.
Ready?
Stop. What? I don't know what I heard all that. I got all this white stuff in my hair. Bye, y'all, bro. I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all tripping.
Change her diaper. Or is it changed?